Many of us in crypto think that Bitcoin is behaving differently than past cycles, and everything we are experiencing price-wise is off track, on a completely new trajectory. And although it may feel that way, in reality, Bitcoin is pretty dead on performance-wise when looking at US midterm election years, 2014, 2018, and 2022. Check it out. It's now April 2026, and using the Moneyline indicator tool, Bitcoin closed out March on the monthly still in a bearish trend. And more accurately, when looking at the weekly, Bitcoin has been in this longer bearish trend since November of 2025. Price-wise, Bitcoin is experiencing resistance at around $74,000 and support at around $65,000, bouncing sideways in that range since the beginning of February 2026. So from here, Bitcoin will either go up and break through this 74K resistance level. However, the more likely scenario, given its current trend, is Bitcoin probably breaks down below 65K and heads towards its current 200-week moving average of around $59,000, and as always, potentially lower. And here's why. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video we are going to explore Bitcoin's current price action, what we can expect throughout the rest of 2026, the outlook for 2027, and how we should position ourselves to increase our chances of building wealth throughout the rest of this bearish cycle. Let's hit it. First, 3 quick things. 1. Select Tangent wallets are up to 30% off with up to $20 in free Bitcoin until April 6th using the link below. 2. Taxes are right around the corner, and CoinLedger can help us get our crypto taxes done in a snap. Maximizes our refund, it's free to use, and they are an official partner with TurboTax. And 3. I will be live on the Go Baby Trade webinars every Wednesday this month, and we are having 2 special Saturday editions on April 18th and 25th. So scroll down and use the link below to sign up and join me in learning how we can start earning passive profits from the constant up and down price action with artificial intelligence. Sweet. Alright, on the most useful Bitcoin chart for 2026. Behold, Bitcoin's yearly performance during US midterm election years. Looks a little messy and overwhelming at first glance, so let's break it down together line by line. Starting with 2014, the yellow line. So in the first 90 days, Bitcoin just tanks. And then we see a slight recovery about 150 days in before it slowly bleeds out the rest of the year. Next, 2018, the orange line. Bitcoin tanks at the beginning of the year and then chops into a slow bleed out the rest of the year. Moving along to 2022, the purple line. Bitcoin chops sideways until about 120 days in where it tanks, then chops sideways into yet another slow bleed out the rest of the year. Which brings us to this most recent midterm election year. This year, 2026, the green line. Like clockwork, the beginning of the year, we tanked. And now if we mirror the 2014, the yellow line, and 2018, the orange line, we are due for another sharp drawdown in the coming weeks. So obviously price history is rhyming. However, the closer repeat due to similar global circumstances would be 2022, because around the same time in 2022,